headlines. Devendra Fadnavis resigns as Maharashtra Chief Minister. Final hearing in Minister T.H. Shyamkumar disqualification case deferred. And COCOMI set to convene public meeting on November 29. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA giving you the news in details. Devendra Fadnavis quit as Maharashtra Chief Minister on today, hours after his Deputy Nationalist Congress Party leader Ajit Pawar had tendered his resignation, a media report said. Fadnavis had taken oath as Maharashtra Chief Minister for the second term on Saturday morning with his Deputy Ajit Pawar. The move had surprised many, and Shiv Sena and CPN Congress alliance decided to approach the Supreme Court against Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari's decision to invite Fadnavis to form a government. He said that the BJP had staked claim to form a government after Ajit Pawar, as the leader of NCP, decided to tie up with BJP. The government was formed as Ajit Pawar gave a letter of support of all 54 of his party MLAs, said Fadnavis. In its verdict on Tuesday morning, the Supreme Court has said that the 3-day-old Fadnavis government in the state has to face a floor test on Wednesday. The Supreme Court was supposed to hold the final hearing in Manipur Minister T.H. Shyamkumar's disqualification case today at 10:30 a.m. However, the final hearing could not be held due to the absence of central government solicitor, according to our Delhi correspondent. This case started after a petition was filed against Shyamkumar under anti-defection law 10 scheduled by different political parties in Manipur. Shyamkumar, who was elected from Andhra Assembly on Congress ticket in the last Manipur Assembly polls, later jumped to the BJP without resigning and became a minister in Biren government in March 27. Leaders of Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity had a meeting with Union Home Minister Amit Shah at his residence in New Delhi last night. As per reports, Manipur Chief Minister in Biren, Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam, co-convener of COCOMI K.H. Athoba, Coordinator Sunil Karam and other leaders of the committee deliberated on the possible political fallout of the decades-long Indo-Naga peace talks during the meeting with Amit Shah. Talking to reporters, COCOMI co-convener K.H. Athoba informed that an official release will be issued soon regarding the meeting. Meanwhile, the COCOMI team now in the national capital is likely to return to Imphal tomorrow, sources inform. COCOMI, a civil body, is asserting that the approaching peace deal between the government of India and an Asian arm could harm the Manipur interests, especially the boundary and administrative structure.
Discussion regarding the issues, concerning Manipur. And for COCOMI, for our COCOMI team, we will release an official statement regarding the meeting with the Home Minister after discussion with all the members, delegates. So we'll come to something concrete and consensual points so that we can give it to the public.
Meanwhile, in a press release from COCOMI said that Minister of State for Home Affairs G. Kishan Reddy, BJP General Secretary Organization B.L. Santos, Union Home Secretary Ajay Kumar Bhalla, Joint Secretary Northeast MHA Satyendra Kak, Manipur Chief Minister in Biren, Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam, MLAs T.H. Satyabrata and L. Rameshwar took part in the meeting with Amit Shah. The COCOMI representatives during the meeting also submitted a memorandum to Amit Shah, praising that Manipur's integrity should not be allowed to disintegrate. The Home Minister assured the Kokomi side that the territorial integrity and administrative setup of Manipur would not be allowed to affect by the Naga settlement, the release said. However, Amit Shah refused to give a written assurance as demanded by Kokomi, saying that this has not been given to anyone. Kokomi further said that until a public meeting is held to adopt strong resolutions regarding the Indo-Naga talks, the ongoing protest movement spearheaded by the committee will continue and appeal to the people to extend support to it. Given the assurance from the Home Minister, Kokomi will organize a public meeting on November 29 to take a collective decision on the ongoing movement and the next course of action.
Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Kokomi, Manipuri Chief Minister, Mayam Puna, Pungamarong Sang, Najare, Unazaba Matumasida, Manipur Miam Punamona, Taliba, Pugi Kango Puru Private Tusilam Tower, Wearoy, State bypass Togunu, Hibernate Simba, Sumo, Mayam Sinchi Yawa, Pugi Memorandum, Samito Zagre, Aduna, Samito Sargumatunda, Home Minister, Pirapa, Pugi Maki, Makedi Tazavasi, Kariba, Peace Togas the Maram Organa, Manipura. Kamu perlu kimingda, nak ethnic line da, kalau mukal tigi interest, solo heba, sugumi wapun angkal, kau home minister na, yang sauna, thasa berbeda, adana aisyah home minister ni, home minister amagi, kau thasa berjit tambiu, adu kalau na, hauze, lari iba pipa mayam sigi manung cita, kali kumada, hauze, peace talk asina kali ma, ahong bama, lapat aragadi, cuma lagi seso. Lenga, amat tu janatan aku tu opposition mu yorga, ikui Sweden namke ikui khanar kani hai ba, adu kalau ni na ba, amu sukar ba, hai di ba, pun sing sita kari mana koi na, aku hujik aina hai di sigi wang tu tor petar gadi, Manipur ke miam na, sathaning ba, tor kodi muka, any agitation tor kuda kai belai di hai ba, suku mama ki yam na, thasa ba ya ba pong kau maki, mai kai di ki pili, adu na Kokomi ki mai kai di ki hana chief minister hai tu na lere. Prime Minister the Hydro Lere, Amadi Aran Ravi, Amadi Akogi, the NNPG group, Sukuma Mayam Singsi, Tajabat Mayam Singsa, Yawa, written assurance of Captain Piru Hydra, Equity Kokomi, Makadi, Tamamatanda, written not to the Hana Edit Secretary to Vistazu, Kanagum to people like it, at the Maramarkan Equi, Tajabu, Haibo Pomji, Tamakuta Maramarkana, Hosipuzi, Kariguma, Yamna Palmer, written not to. Piruk tawanina hanagi cuma assurance ko piruk se sina maram warga nadi ko Manipur miam nadi ko kahena peningai hoide adona maram warga na ko Manipur miam punamona ko miam punamona ko loina na chaliba ko bomi ga hanagi khungjang thorom singa do amata ahongba leke habjena thamjani aduga loina namo hauji ko ori be film sida langba tan ko ga ma banda ko Manipur miam yaurga makata ba karamba phire natraga karamba makata ba thosil thorang tominagade hai bse Manipur miang ga yaurga punna ware phire longina badugi aikoi Kokomi gi maikedi gi Manipur gi miam da saruk yabina ba appeal tokjari.
The nation is remembering today all the victims of 26/11 Mumbai terror attacks 11 years ago in 2008. Tributes are pouring in since this morning as the country and the world remembers the victims who had lost their lives 11 years ago in the Mumbai terror attacks, which began on November 26, 2008. As per media reports, President Ram Nath Kovind and Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu paid tribute to the victims of 26/11 Mumbai terror attack and offered their salutations to the bravery and devotion of security personnel. To be mentioned, Mumbai had come to a standstill on this day 11 years ago when 10 Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorists who came to Mumbai via sea route from Pakistan carried out a series of coordinated shooting and bombing attacks across the city. And now we have a short commercial break. Coming up next, cycle rally marks 70 years of adoption of Indian Constitution.
इरमदम द फंगबा पोलम सिंगना इरमदम असिमक्तदा साजबा कंगलागी पोलम सिंग फंगबिरगनी लुहोंग पंथाना लाकपदा मियामगी दमक लेजरे लैमा कबोक लोइनना लुहोंगबगी याखनबा डिस्काउंट सु इजरी अकुपा मरोलगी दमक कांटेक्ट तोबियु 8131877217 नत्रगा 9612056941
कंगला कबोक चाबियो यामना हावबनी
कंगला लैमा कबोक
SS Enterprises ता मियाम की दमक लेजरे मखल मखा कियागी साउंड लाइट्स तीस अमदी टेन हाउस की पोलम सिंह मखल खुदिंग मक्की लाइट अमदी लुहोंग खोंगदोंग बगी पोलम सिंह की दमक 10% डिस्काउंट पिजरी अकुपा मरोल की दमक कांटेक्ट तोबियु SS Enterprises कियामगई खोइरोम लाइकाई नियर यूथ सोशल क्लब कांटेक्ट नंबर 8837218002 Yang ware.
Soktabadu loidi.
Wabdo koknaba rebalance.
Soktabadu koknaba rebalance.
Rebalance na haksangi salt amadi electrolyte singi awatpa mekhatuna adongi haksangbu tagat tikna thamba ngamali. Rebalance habadi electrolytes amadi energy.
Welcome back. To mark the 70 years of adoption of the Indian Constitution, a cycle rally was held in Imphal East. Altogether, 50 cyclists took part in the rally, which was flagged off from Thambalkhong LP School by Secretary of District Legal Services Authority, Imphal East and Imphal West, K. Niruzit. The rally covered several locations of Imphal East before culminating at Lamphel in Imphal West. Manipur State Legal Services Authority and District Legal Services Authority jointly organized the event. Under the aegis of Manipur State Legal Services Authority, the District Legal Services Authority, Thoubal, also observed the Constitution Day at the auditorium of District and Session Court Complex located at Khangabok. Judge of Family Court Thoubal, Salam Imocha Singh, along with District and Session Judge Thoubal, Salam Tara Devi, attended the observance as chief guest and president respectively. Other officials from legal department Thoubal were also present at the occasion. Advocate K.H. Arunjoy Singh delivered a speech on the significance of observing the Constitution Day, while Advocate K.H. Jaton Singh talked about the basic features of Indian Constitution. Prizes also distributed to the participants of a quiz competition which was held to mark the day. A national workshop on reorganization on museum storage was held at the Old Assembly Building in Imphal. The event was organized by Indira Gandhi National Center for the Arts, New Delhi, in association with Manipur Legislative Assembly Museum and Archives, Imphal. Speaking of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Y. Khemchan Singh, Manipur Assembly Additional Secretary K. Magajit Singh, Director Y. Samarendra Singh and Associate Professor, Head of Department, Conservation Division, IGNCA, Dr. Anchal Pandya attended the workshop. Talking at the event, Speaker Yumnam Khemchan stated that the Museum of Parliament House in Delhi inspired him to set up a similar museum for the state. So, with the collective efforts of his staff, the museum was set up at the Old Assembly Complex. He also underlined on the importance of museum and archives as they reflect the genesis of a society.
9 embassies from different parts of Southeast Asia visited here. So, seeing this all little documents, they came to know that Manipur had a king. The 72 kings of Manipur were ruled in Manipur, and they started to know the Anglo-Manipuri War also, and then how we came in the Indian Union. So I believe that museum and archive is a study center for human civilization and national civilization.
The National Mill Day 2019 was observed at the premises of Central Dairy Plant located at Porom, part of Imphal East. The event was organized by Manipur Milk Producer Cooperative Union Limited, Porompat. Director of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry, Dr. H. Chauba Singh, Deputy Registrar Administration, Department of Cooperation, Manipur O. Jiten Singh, and Chairman of Manipur Milk Producer Cooperative Union, C.H. Ramananda Singh, were present at the occasion. Addressing the gathering, Director of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Services, Dr. H. Chauba, explained that the day is observed to mark the birthday of cooperation specialist Bargasi Kuren, who despite his engineering background had dedicated his life and service for the welfare of milk producers and farmers in the country. He added, meal is one of the essential food items in one's day-to-day life, and on that note, he appealed to the public not to obstruct movement by milk farmers and milk producers during burn and blockades.
Vitamin A ga D ga si so mu hapsil la fortify taw la da Manipur ki private consulting undertaking si da fortify.
Under the aegis of Assam Indigenous People Protection Committee, an anti-cap protest was taken today at Mahasak Point of Silchar in Assam. The protesters chanted different slogans condemning the controversial Citizenship Bill 2016 and burned the effigies of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah and MP Rajdeep Roy during the demonstration. Talking to reporters, AIPPC General Secretary Seram Herajit Singh accused the government of India of attempting to obliterate the indigenous populations of the northeast states. He warned of a series of intense agitations if the centre passes the cave in the parliament.
BJP Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 की मायकदा Assam Indigenous People Protection Committee नंगा सी सिलचर दा बराक तंपा की Indigenous People सिंगी अपन बर लूप अमना Citizenship Amendment Bill ये सब पास तो भाई यार हाइड ना इंडिया गवर्नमेंट की मायकदा कोई अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनली होइबा CAPC कईगुम्बा मतदा सिगी बिल से पास तो भाई यार है बिसे अकोई नंगा सिगी इंडिया गवर्नमेंट दा हानदगिसु कोई मोंग की आंदोलन तौदुना लाखमी हंदकी सही अजिसु लोकसभा दा अमुक करने बिल से पुगतनी पास तौगनी हाइना सिलिबा बीजेपी सरकार सिबु अकोनी यानिंगो फोंकुना नसिगी CAP की माइगेदा अकोगी धरना तना तोआन तोआनबा खुंजंग अकनबा क्या चंचलकनी हाइबसे इंडिया गवर्नमेंट की मनाकी यौनबा अकोगी मीडिया की थोंदा कोइना Assam Indigenous People Protection Committee की माइगेदगी मिसिंजे.
Coordinating Committee of Jiribam on Manipur Integrity, Jiribam and Women Folk of Iho Yakasang Club, Chandrapur stake an alert seated at Chandrapur, Jiribam today again straight to the Manipur interest due to the Indo-Naga peace settlement. The protest demanded that the content of the peace talks be disclosed. Hema, one of the protesters, said that the demonstration was in support of the Kokosmi. The protesters held placards demanding protection of Manipur's integrity. A two-day Imphal Literature Festival 2019 has begun at the Manipuri Hindi Parishad Hall, All Assembly Road today. The event is organized by Sahitya Thaupangluk. As a part of the function, a symposium on the responsibility of writers in safeguarding Manipur was held. Sahitya Academy Awadi Arambam Ongbi Mem Chobi, President of Asai Loop Manipur, Dilip Mayengbam, Saiti Academy awardee S. Lamjingbatomtv and President of Union of Associations Manipur, Jodha Chandra Sanasam attended the opening event. Saiti Academy awardee Sarit Chandra Thiam said that in the past, the festival was attended by many writers from different states, but due to the current situation, this year's edition is organized in a low-key manner. Sarachan stated that writers have been taking part in the state issues and will continue to do so.
Multilingual voice meet akoigi tongan toma Manipur da amasung mat panda leiriba akoigi tongan toma lon ngang ba mayamgi sering sejinabani masida mapunguina akoi thimsina Manipur apun basaktam ngak pa haibasidane kuna thamise ireba iramdam Manipur apun basaktam ngan honabada writer man kai to ya ga haise akoina adugi khongchat ama koi festival se manungda koi pangthok sagadamni sumaina koi handaki Imphal Literature Festival se sinan akoina ba thorang tawjabani.
Now another short commercial break. Do stay tuned for more updates.
Smart Tutorial Center revision course for class 10 and 12 will start from 9th December and foundation course will start from 13th December. Run by well-trained and experienced board and council teachers. Concession for ex-smart students. Transport facilities and separate hostel for boys and girls available. For details, please contact Smart Tutorial Center, Singzamai Supermarket, Radhesham Shopping Complex. Contact number 8730 999 192.
Welcome back. Stepping up precautionary measures, Imphal West District Police under the supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police Operations Amarjit Lamabam today conducted massive search operations in different locations of Imphal West this morning. A house-to-house search was conducted by the cops at Uripo Khoistam Lekai and its surrounding areas. Around 160 individuals were verified. However, no one was picked up. Separately, a team of Imphal West Commando led by Officer in Charge Achoba also conducted search operation at Lamboi Khonangkong, Mamang Lekai of Imphal West this morning, in which around 130 individuals from 80 different houses were verified. Further search operation was also conducted by the same team in Nagamapal Naga area, wherein 70 individuals were verified, while 4 persons were picked up and handed over to city police for further verification. Blooming Foundation Kangabok under the aegis of Weavers Sale BJP Manipur Pradesh and Directorate of Handloom and Textiles, Government of Manipur organized a one-day training program on fiber making from banana plants at the whole of MMRC and Unity Park Kangabok. Talking at the program, demonstrator of banana fiber making M. Victoria said that many of the local plants could be used in making different types of fiber. She added that she already has a huge collection of such items made from fibrous plants. Founder of MMRC and Unity Park, Manjor Mangang, who is the convener of Weber Cell BJP Manipur, L. Sarojini Devi Project Manager Handloom and Textile CH Rebecca attended the event. As a part of the training program, Victoria demonstrated on how to make fiber out of banana stems. Two people have been killed and 4 injured in an improvised explosive device blast in Jammu and Kashmir, Anantnag district. The explosion took place in Hakura, Bodasgam of Anantnag district in South Kashmir. A government program called Back to Village was going on in Panchayat when the explosion took place. The injured were immediately rushed to the Anantnag district hospital. Another explosion took place in the market near Saryed Gate of Kashmir University in the Hazratbal area this afternoon, a media report said. 3 persons were injured in the explosion. All are stated to be stable, the report added. The officials said the explosion was not caused by a grenade as suspected earlier. A preliminary investigation suggests that it was a low-intensity blast. More details awaited. Ruling in favor of the Sena NCP Congress combined the Supreme Court order Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis to face a floor test tomorrow. A 3-judge bench headed by Justice N.V. Ramana and comprising of Justices Sanjeev Khanna and Ashok Bhushan said the floor test will be conducted through an open ballot and the proceeding will be recorded on video. The bench also took note that 1 month had passed to the declaration of the result of the assembly elections and no member had taken oath. It further directed the governor to appoint a pro tem speaker who will administer oath to the newly elected members. The bench ordered to conclude the entire process by 5 p.m. The Shiv Sena NCP Congress had moved the apex court challenging Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari's decision to swear in BJP's Devendra Fadnavis as Chief Minister and Ajit Pawar of NCP as the Deputy Chief Minister. In their joint plea, the 3 parties have urged the top court to order an immediate floor test. Similar to the NACN demand, now Meghalaya's Hanutrep National Liberation Council HNLC also wants separate flag and constitution for the tribal classes. A media report said the HNLC also demanded for its own parliament and a Supreme Court. In a Facebook post, Sankupar Nongtrao, General Secretary cum Publicity Secretary of the outfit, said Khasi people should not forget that New Delhi always made laws which are not at all beneficial to the minority tribes. When you seek ILP inner line permit, the government gave CAB Citizenship Amendment Bill and instead of the VAP Village Administration Bill. The government wants municipal election, Nongtrao said. And now we have sports news. Chairman of Manipur, a major Kho-Kho association, M. Madhusudan Singh, has been selected as an international technical official for the upcoming 13th South Asian Games 2019 to be held at Kathmandu, Nepal on December 1 to 10. This was informed in a press release from Manipur Amateur Kho-Kho Association today. It also informed that A. Madhusudan Singh is also currently serving as technical chairman of Kho-Kho Federation of India. Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. Devendra Fadnavis resigns as Maharashtra Chief Minister. Final hearing in Minister T.H. Syamkumar disqualification case deferred. COCOMI is set to convene a public meeting on November 29. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update and good night.